Once upon a time, in a bustling city called lived two best friends, Mia and Leo. Brightville was a magical place with tall buildings that sparkled in the sun and busy streets filled with colorful cars. Every day, Mia and Leo explored the city, looking for new adventures. One sunny morning, they found a shiny golden key in the park. What does it open? Mia wondered. They decided to find out. They ran past the noisy market, where vendors sold sweet fruits and toys. They skipped by the big library, where books whispered stories. Finally, they reached a tiny, hidden door in an old clock tower. With a click, the key fit perfectly. Inside, they discovered a room full of twinkling lights and a map of bright. The map glowed, showing secret paths to fun places like a candy garden and a toy castle. Mia and Leo giggled, knowing they'd have more adventures. Brightville was their playground, full of surprises and friends. Every corner had a story. And, with the golden key, Mia and Leo knew they'd unlock them all.